we'll learn J, K, and L. Look, this is the big J. Looks like a hook. The lowercase j looks like a little hook with a dot on top. Yay! J is for juice. And jump. And jelly. Jelly is joyful. The big K looks like a tree with 2 branches. The small K looks similar, but the top branch is lower, and both branches are smaller. Easy! K is for kiwi and kite in the sky. Sky has a K in the middle. Also, K is for king. Now, we'll learn the capital letter L. The big L looks like a corner. And the lowercase l looks like a simple and straight stick. It's the easiest. L is for light and lion or lake and love. Great job, Conejo! We learned J, K, and L, big and small. Now, let's sing together to remember them. Yay!
JKL, we sing right here. Pollito and Conejo learn with cheer. With J we say juice and jelly too. With K we say Kite and Pollito. With L we say light and lion strong. Lake and moon shine brightly in their song. JKL, how fun to play. Pollito and Conejo show the way. JKL, we learn today. Singing together brings joy our way. Lemon, lion, kiwi, love, shining bright from skies above. JKL, we sing today. Letters we'll remember in every way.